Hazrat Abu Idris Khawlani states that he heard Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu say that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the same meeting in which we swore an allegiance to him said to us, "You must not associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, commit larceny, commit adultery, kill your progeny, calumniate anyone fabricating it between your hands and feet, disobey in performing good deeds. Whoso amongst you fulfills this pledge, his reward is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Whoso indulges himself in any of these sins and is awarded punishment in this world, that will be an expiation from him. And whoso indulges himself in any of these sinful acts, then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu screened him. His matter is up to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He Jalla Jalaluhu may chastise him or pardon him." So we swore an allegiance for it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7213.